Monetizing your Instagram account can be a great challenge, and it took me over a year to figure out how to do it. So I had to learn it. It's not something you understand just like that intuitively. And usually it's clear that you should provide valuable content, be consistent, and engage with your followers. But this is not enough when it comes to actually monetizing your account. I also started a traveling account a couple of years ago for my mom, who is a traveling expert. And this traveling account grew so much. This is my mom, by the way, and she loves traveling around the world and also sharing information about her travels with those people who also love traveling on their own. So if you would like to consult with my mom, just let me know in the comments. And also in the description below, you can check out my mom's traveling account. Before we go on, this channel is for people like you who want to start their dream business, who want to create the freedom so that they can enjoy their life, travel the world, make this world a better place. So consider subscribing to this channel, not to miss future videos of mine that I provide every Wednesday. And if you like this video so far, please give it a like. It's really the best way to support my channel so that I'm motivated to make more videos for you for free. I have been working in marketing business over 15 years. Still, Instagram monetization is a tricky thing, I must admit. So in this video, I break down 4 points of Instagram monetization so that you have an overview. The first is building your core audience. If you don't have any audience, there is nobody to sell to. And of course, in your Instagram, you need to implement correct systems, how to provide valuable content. I teach it in my online program on 8 ways to monetize your Instagram account. In case you're interested, the link to the course is in the description below. In this case, you don't need to spend too much time and money on building your audience. And second thing is, create your first product. And if you're not sure about what is that you can offer to the world, then check out my free training on building your dream business. It is in the description below, and it is just a half-an-hour training that will give you exact clue on what you can provide as your product. The third thing is start gathering social proof. You can ask for feedbacks and testimonials, so that you get more and more information also about your product and you can improve it. And as well, you can show your work to your potential clients. In my case, this traveling account that I mentioned at the beginning of this video is performing better than any other examples. Therefore, I gladly share about it. And you should do the same. You should show something that you've done and, of course, show your best performance. Although you can also show your mistakes because other people can also learn from them. And this way, you help people overcoming similar troubles that they might have in the future. The fourth thing here is actually selling. And for this, you use Instagram stories. This might come for you as a surprise if you are not familiar very much with Instagram monetization, because everybody's talking about Reels, but Reels is not the format for selling. And Instagram has different types of formats. I explain it all in my online course, which I mentioned. You can check it out in the description. But you sell in stories because stories are watched by your loyal followers, meaning people who already know you, who trust you, and so on. And this is important to close a deal. And this way you monetize your Instagram. And of course, you can monetize in different ways, but this is the basic, system, how you do it, no matter which kind of product, which kind of system you use. Like if you decide to make an agency or you want to use an affiliate program and so on. So if you want to dive deeper into it and to actually monetize your account, feel free to actually check my online course on 8 ways to monetize your account, and I will be happy to see you in my class. If this video was useful for you, and I hope it was, because it's very simple but very transparent on how you monetize your account, then give this video a like and consider subscribing to this channel not to miss other important videos. Meanwhile, watch some other videos of mine which can be helpful for you if you want to start an online business. Those ones here. So see you there. Good luck.